Hello, good afternoon. Wendy here from Wendy's Scraftden, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator living in Narberth, Wales. Now then, if you put just Wendy's Scraftden in your search engine or search doobie, I don't know, then all of my little things should come up. My Facebook, my blog, everything should come up. I think I've got one on Instagram and Pinterest as well. So I've got plenty for you to look at if you go in there. Right, like I said, I hope you can see this. This is, as it is Sketch It Monday. I thought did this sketch for you this morning. It is ordinary, well, I mean, it's up to you what card size you make, it doesn't really matter. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Where they belong, short, it doesn't matter. That is entirely up to you as to what you choose to use. Now, what I've chosen to use is, where's it gone? Oh, it's this. It's my postage stamp punch. Well, it's a bit bigger, but you know what I mean. Beautiful punch. And it gives you something rather than a square. Do you know what I mean? Because you got squares, yeah, and you've got squares. But using this, it's just lovely. It gives you an extra little whatever it's called. I don't know. Right, we get on with it now then. I've chosen. Whoops, sorry, donkeys. Right, I have chosen. This is lovely lipstick cardstock. I'm using lovely lipstick ink pads, and then, like I said, I've got these. I want to do them like that, and have that one going across the middle there. Sorry, excuse me a minute. Right, so let's get stamping. Now, what I'm using is, I'm using the Darling Donkeys. Look at them. I can't use that one, unfortunately, but these I can because they're heads. But that one, it's not going the right way. Or I don't know. I might use him. I don't know yet. Let's see how we get on with these. Right, now then, I'm going to take all these off there, put my card to one side. Now these are the red rubber stamps, so I don't need a mat underneath them because they've got their own little cushion, built-in cushion. Oh dear. Right, lovely lipstick is with us until next year. So, you know, you've still got rather a long time. Well, you've got, what are we at now? August, September, October, November, December. You've got quite a few months left of use in it. Right, so we're going to start in. Now I want to put this donkey. Oh, I can stand up for this. I want to keep it so that he's. Doesn't matter if I haven't got his ears up. But I wanted to get that flower in his mouth. There's you. I might use you again because you're lovely, you are. Yes, you are. Sorry. Little bit of Wendy madness. Now then, are we going to do this on one like that? Yes, I think so, because we might be able, you might even be able to get all of it on there. Here we go. That's 2. Oh, don't you just love that? No, that sound. The squeaky clean of the stamps. Let me try this poor little donkey I've left behind. I've left him out. So if I put him on a long one. Oh, hang on, where's my tissues? I've made it wet there now, so things are going to start running if I'm not careful. And what I'm cleaning my stamps with is my lovely clean rag. Well, no, what it is, it's one of those microfiber cloths that you could get in, oh, crumbs, like garages and petrol stations and things like that. You get to clean your car, but I use them here for all sorts. I really do. Right, we'll pretend that this one's having a knees up, shall we? Right. Get up here and see if we can. I don't mind if this. Poor like he looks a bit like Eeyore, hasn't he? Look, his tail. Oh, there we go. That'll be fine. That'll be fine. Right, wet and dry. So now that we've got those, let me put these back in here before I forget them. I've actually lost a couple of stamps lately, which is very annoying to me, as you can imagine. And I've got no idea where they went to. Might be in the bin, unfortunately. Right, so where are we now then? I'm doing a long card today. So what you need to make sure that you're the right way round. And then right. I've run out of the dimensionals, but I do have somebody ordering me some today. But in the meantime, I will use these. Now then, I do want to cut that sort of, cut all the raggedy bits off that one, and get one that I haven't stamped on yet. Okay, cut that in half then, and then I'll use that. Oh, come on. There's loads in here, look. These are the adhesive, what do they call them? Foam adhesive sheets. So I'm just going to line that up on there. And I'm going to do a rough cut. Now these are brilliant. If you're doing lots of wording, and if you want the word to stand up and things like that, I mean, these are perfect for that. And let's double check that again. They're a little bit narrower, I think. And then cut it in half. Right, now then, let's do the donkeys. I hope you will have a go at doing these today. It is quite a fun thing to do. And what I find as well is, if I'm doing it at the same time as somebody else, I enjoy it more. Probably because don't have to think, just have to follow. Oh, come on. And trust me, these are sticky. Cloudburst narrative. Just there. I'm using the love. Did I tell you I'm using the lovely lipstick ink pad as well? Right, so one little donkey left to go, and then yeah, put him there. Yeah. And then I'm going to take these. Now I forgot to stamp these. Oh, bother. Oops. You see, I'm rushing now. I shouldn't never rush. Rushing doesn't get you anywhere but in a mess. Like that. Right. And we've got a, hey there, friend. Which way is that going? We're going that way round. For that one. And then we get the other one. with, what's that one? You're the Best. What's that one? Oh, that's what I just wrote. Right. I haven't even stuck the label on this one. I'm hoping it's that you're the Best is turned up there. Right. Now, because I'm doing it like that, I can't see which way I'm stamping, if you know what I mean, because that's what the little images in the back are very useful for that. But, oh, no, I didn't want a birthday one. It's going to be this one then. They'll teach me to make sure that I've got the things the right way around, innit? And this one then will be going that way, I think. So again, we don't have to worry about it too much because we can turn him up or down. I hope you can see this actually. I'm not out of shot. Here we are. Right, I'm going to stick all these on. I've stuck those 3 and I've got another 2 to do. This one first. Yeah. Hey there, friend. And then at the bottom, I'm going to cut another piece out. This is really a waste of these because it's going to be too big. You know, these are useful for other things rather than using them as dimensionals. But right, and then I'm going to have that one tucked in there, I think. So there we go. There's my Sketch It Monday. I might move these up a bit actually, but you'll see that all afterwards. Well, thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe because I've got a wonderful giveaway for the 150 subscriber count rather. Thank you very much. Bye.